Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. It's just after 1 o'clock. It's about 41 degrees is what the temperature says in the house thermometer. Looking at my rig here. Hopefully I get it back. Odo's been driving it for quite a while. He's going to go to my oldest son's house this weekend and work on his Jeep. Hopefully get the wiring figured out for the transmission so it'll shift right. So anyway, I'm hoping to get this one here back so I can use it. As you can see, the snow's melting and my driveway is soaked. The gravel starts sinking every time you drive on it. There's many layers of gravel that's buried under here that's sunk when it's been wet in the winter time. It's a lot better than it used to be. Like the lanes in the back, and you're actually still leaving ruts. But this is a lot better than what it used to be. Can't wait for spring though. Yeah, you can see the gravel sinking. It's not good. The mud is back. Hang on, piggies. Well, Penelope taught the boar a bad habit, climb the fence. I'll get your food. Hang on. We'll start off with the hay. How's that sound? Once again, everybody's been fed. You all seem to be happy. Yeah. Sure like that grain. Okay, everybody here is happy too. No special treats, just alfalfa and grain for today. So many dogs run through the mud. You can see the melting off here. And there's a swamp. She's eating walnuts. Very strange doodle dog. Here's Charlie. He's put a thermostat in our Chevy pickup. It's not getting up to temp, and plus there's no heat in the cab, so hopefully this fixes the problem. Should be nice. Here's Charlie working on the cruise. He's got a bent axle, and I don't know, he's gonna soup it up and play with it in the garage, I guess. Yeah, there's something missing. Well, it's just after 5 p.m. and it's about 34 degrees or so, and it's raining. So this is just going to add to the water we have standing and make the mud even muddier. Well, I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening. Stay dry.